So class 8 students, today we will do a new chapter, okay, that is chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Okay, linear equations means what? You need to understand what is linear equation. Understand? Linear equation. And one variable, that means what? You need to understand this first so that we can start our lesson. Okay, so to understand this you need to understand an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, I think you have done in class 7 also. That means algebraic expression, that means what? 5x 2x minus 3. These are the algebraic expressions. Okay, these are called algebra. This is variable and this is coefficient. Okay, 5 is coefficient, 5 is coefficient and x is variable. This is called what? Algebraic. Okay, algebraic expressions. This is called algebraic. Okay, this is coefficient, this is variable. This is called algebraic expression. So here now we will study linear equations. Linear equations, that means what? And a variable which has a degree 1. Okay, which has degree 1. If there is here 5x square, then this will be quadratic equation. Okay, this will be what? Quadratic equation. But since there is 5x only, so it is linear. Okay, that means a variable which has a degree 1 is called linear equations. Okay, but if a variable has a degree square, then it is called quadratic equation. Okay, then in one variable, that means what? One variable, that means now 5x, there is only one variable, yes or no? Now if it will be like 5xy, there are two variables, that means we will do only in one variable. Okay, linear equations in one variable. So you understand, I think. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me and you can raise a question in the comment section. Okay, so now we will do exercise 2.1. So what is the question of exercise? What is the question here? You see, the question is solve the following equations. So you will write here question number 1. Okay, there are 12 equations. So these equations I won't do all. I will do only 5 equations, and the other remaining equations you will do as your assignment. Okay, so what is the question of Roman number not Roman number 1, question number 1? X minus 2 equals to 7. So how to solve this? You need to solve this means you need to find the value of x. Okay, here where is the variable? X minus 2 equals to 7. Which one is variable? This is variable, and the other are the numbers. Okay, so here we will find out the value of x. Okay, so how we will do here? You will write here x minus 2 equals to 7. Then here x equals to 7 plus 2, because since here is minus, if it will come this in the on the right side, it will be plus. Okay, so x equals to 7 plus 2, how much? 9. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. This is question number 1 answer. Now I will do question number 4. So what is the question of question number 4? 3 by 7 plus x equals to 17 by 7. Okay, so here you see 3 by 7 plus x equals to 17 by 7. Now if you see which one you will find out here, you will find out the value of x. Okay, so if you will find out the value of x, you need to write down first x. Yes or no? So you need to write down here first x, and this number you will change it into, means you will transfer it into the right side. Since it is left side, you will transfer it into right side. Okay, that means this is plus. Here if it will come, it will be minus. No, so here will be x equals to 7. Here it will be what? 17. Sorry, 17 minus 3. Why I have written 17 minus 3? Because the denominators are same. Yes or no? So if you see here, the denominators are same. You see clearly. The denominators are 7 and 7. So if it will be 7 and 7, the LCM also will be 7, and directly you can write the numerator's number. Okay, so 17 minus 3 is how much? 14 by 7. That is x equals to 2. 7 2s are 14. Yes or no? So this is the answer. The value of x is how much? 2. Okay. So now I will do again question number 8. What is the question of question number 8? 1.6 equals to y by 1.5. Okay. So here 1.6 equals to y by 1.5. So y you will write down first. After that you will cross multiply these two. Okay, these two, you see this and this will be cross multiplied. Why it will be cross multiplied? Because y into how much there is no any denominator. That means there is how much here? 1. Okay, so there is 1. After that here how much it will be? Here will be, this will be cross multiplied. Okay, that means 1.6 into 1.5, how much? 6 5s are 30, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8, into 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1. So it will be here 8 plus 6 how much? 10 11 12 13 14, 240. Point how much after 2 digits? So it will be 2.4. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, why? Because you will find out the value of, you will find out the value of y. Since you will find out the value of y, you will take you will cross multiply these two. Yes or no? 1.6 into 1.5, you will cross multiply it. After that you will find out the value of y. Okay, then I will do now question number 10. Okay, what is the question of question number 10? 14y minus 8 equals to 13. So how will you do this one? You see clearly. Okay, now here also you will find out the value of y. Okay, so how to find out the value of y here? You will write this implies sign. Okay, since there is equal, you need to write here implies sign. So first you will write 14 y equals to 13. This side if it will come, it will be plus 8. After that 14 y, 13 plus 8 how much? 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. So here will be 21. So y will be here, and 21 by 14. Why I have written 21 by 14? Because you see 14y equals to 21. If it will be, I need to write 21 by 14, because if you will cross multiply these two, 14 into y, 14y equals to 21 into 1. That means there is no any number here. That means there is 1. Yes or no? So 21 into 1, what? How much? 21. So you will get again this. Okay, that means you need to write in this process. Okay. So here will be y equals to how much? It will be 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. That means it will be 3 by 2. Okay, this will be the answer. 3 by 2 is the answer. Because you see here, if you don't understand here, you need to write here 14y first, because there it has a variable. Okay, what I have told that this is variable, this is coefficient. Yes or no? So it has a variable, but other number doesn't have a variable. So you will put these numbers in one side. That means here you see 13 and 8 you can write together. Okay, but 14y equals to 13 minus 14y you can write like this, because 14y has, because 14 has a variable but 13 doesn't has a variable. Okay, so which the number which doesn't have a variable you will write together, but the number which has a variable like 14 you will write it separately. Okay, like that you need to solve the problem. Okay, so after that y equals how much? 3 by 2, because I divided by 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. Okay, so now I will do the last question, that is question number 12. So what is the question of question number 12? X by 3 plus 1 equals to 7 by 15. Okay, so here you see, you will write down again the question equals to 7 by 15. Sorry, now here it will be, you will write, okay, this x by 3, because x, you will find out the value of x. Okay, since you will find out the value of x, you need to write this separately and the other in the different part. That means on the right hand side you will transfer it. Okay, x by 3 equals to 7 by 15. If it will go that side, it will be minus. Okay, so x by 3 equals to 15. 7 minus how much? 15. 15 ones are 15, yes or no? So x by 3 equals to 7 minus 15, how much? 15 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It will be 8. Yes or no? So it will be minus 8. Minus 8 by 15. So here you see how to find out the value of x here. If you want to find out the value of x, you need to cross multiply these two. Okay. See, you see here, in 2 you will directly multiply the numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. But if there is in the middle, if there is equal to, then you need to cross multiply. Cross multiply, that means what? This both will be multiplied together, and this 8 and 3 will be multiplied together, like that. Okay, so here will be x, that means 15x will be, x and 15 equals to how much? 15x equals to 8 3s are how much? 24 minus 24. Here will be how much? Minus 24. Why we have written minus 24? Because 8 3s are 24. And why we have written minus? Because the larger sign. Okay, minus is there, that's why. So here will be x, and this will go on the denominator. 15 will go on the denominator. Okay, so how, in which number you will multiply this? By 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 5s are 15. So the answer will be how much? Answer will be minus 8 by 5. This will be the answer. So why I have why we don't leave the minus? Because it is greater sign. Okay, that's why we didn't leave. If it won't be greater sign also, minus, you won't leave the minus sign. Okay, because minus sign can't be left. Okay, so I think you have already understood. So why I have written here 24 by 15? Because you see here 15x equals to 24. So x equals to 24 by 15. That means 15 into x, how much? 15x equals to 24. Again, this number you will see, you will get again. So you need to write down this process. Okay, so that's why we cross multiplied this number. Okay, so this is the process how to do question number 12. So I have done question how much? 1 1 4 8 10 12. So I have done question number 5. Okay, all total number 5 I have done. So the other remaining questions you will do as your assignment, and if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, so it is a very easy equation. So if you have any doubt, like numerator and denominator, how to get x like this. Okay, if you get any problem like this equation, if you get in other question, you can ask me, or you can private me on WhatsApp also. Okay, so you need to send your assignment. I can't see now how to send your assignment, but I will tell you where to send your assignment on WhatsApp. Okay, but if you have any doubt, you can ask me on WhatsApp, and you can raise a question on the comment section in YouTube also. Okay, so you study hard, because we go in a rush. We will go in rush now, because if we don't go in rush, we can't complete your syllabus. That means we won't complete all the syllabus, but whatever it is important for class 9, we will do all that lessons. Okay, so we need to do that. That's why you study hard and do your assignment soon. Okay, so up to here, next class we will do exercise 2.2. Okay.